Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to Deeksha Karnataka YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing good. So today I'm here with top 30 MCQs including PYQs and the most expected questions from Determinant chapter. Okay, why this video becomes very important is because it's a very simple chapter actually. Only maybe one question can come from here which will be difficult in nature, which will be challenging in nature. Otherwise, whatever questions can come from this chapter, which is again a high weighted chapter, will be easier in nature, will be directly based on the properties. So make sure that you are somebody who has prepared the chapter completely and get out of marks in Determinant. Okay, I'll show you the PYQs also. You can see how relevant and how easy the questions can be. Okay, some might be difficult, but of course you can solve that as well if you have completed the chapter. So I know your time is very important. Let's start the first question right away. So you have question number 1. Have a look. If A is a matrix of order 3 such that A adjoint A is 10i, we know this property, bacha. This is given by determinant of A times I, right? Hence we can write this property of adjoint A will become determinant of A power 3 is there, right? So 3 minus 1 will become determinant of A power 2. So you can compare here, you'll get 10 power 2, hence 100. Hence 100 option is C. Please check. Okay, so we'll quickly solve this all these 30 questions. Will not take much of your time because I know we don't need to, because it's a very simple chapter, right? So you can see here question number 1, 2014 paper, such a simple problem. If you know the property, you get this within a 10 second. Okay, now again, for all of you who are very serious for KCET examination, okay, you can join our Abhyas KCET series right now, because this exam is about problem solving. Okay, how can you get a good score in this examination? By exposed to a variety of questions that you can do in our Abhyas KCET series. Again, this has total of 35 questions papers, means mock tests including physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics. Okay, again, you'll have part test as well, you have full length as well, so you will get to first revise the topics of PU1 and PU2, then again go full-fledged for your entire portions for KCET examination, right? So you'll have total 35 part test, 35 tests, as I said. Again, what else you're gonna get in this? You're gonna get the question paper, of course. You're gonna get the PDF solutions of that. You're gonna get the doubt clarification classes. Also, you're gonna get what, bacha? Your video solutions from our side by each of the faculty. You know our faculties, right? Jasmine ma'am is there for biology, Sarah ma'am for chemistry, physics sir is Somik sir, and I am Ankit for your maths, doubt clarification and solution video. Okay, so make sure that you are somebody who has taken the test series to have the best benefit out of it and practice the most variety of questions going in your KCET examination. Let's move on quickly to question number 2 now. Okay, so what we have, the inverse of the matrix A. We know that whenever you have only diagonals present in it, what's the inverse, bacha? Inverse will be very simple. So of course rest of the element is 0, so it will be 0. It will become 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. You can see, if you know the property, option D is right. Don't have to keep your time solving the question. Okay, it will become 1 by diagonal element 1, 1 by diagonal element 2, 1 by diagonal element 3. Okay, that's all is 0, right? Moving on to question number 3 now. The system of linear equations xy plus z equals to 6. Okay, they've given this, has no solution. Okay, means we have to go in the form of singular matrices, because if it is non-singular, means what will happen, bacha? You'll have a unique solution. If the determinant is if the matrix given is non-singular, then we can have a unique solution, right? It means we have to go in this form, right? Sorry, determinant of A has to be equal to 0. Okay, but again we have both the cases. No, in this we have no solution as well, and we also have infinite solutions, right? So we'll see only for this part right now, don't worry, I'll show you right now. So let's write the matrix first. We have 1, 1, 1 and 6. Please check 1, 1, 1 and 6, the constant one over here. Next I have 1, 2, 3 and 10. Okay, one more thing. Okay, I have 1, 2, A and B. Good for us, because you can see here we have this same, 1, 2 is same, 3 is also, if I make this same, what will happen? If I make this A equal to 3, what will happen, bacha? It will become actually 0. How can you say that? Just apply the row transformation, if you can do that. Row 2 is there and row 3. If you write this row 3 as row 2 minus row 3, what happens, bacha? You're gonna get this as, please check, you're gonna get this as 1 minus 1, so 0, 2 minus 2, so 0. You're gonna get this as 3 minus A. Okay, over here you're gonna get 10 minus B, of course. For this to be 0, this has to be for this to be a case of no solution, this has to be 3 minus a should be equal to 0 and 10 minus b should not be equal to 0. Please check here. I get b is not equal to 10 and from here I get a is equal to 3. Okay, this is the case for no solution. Your answer will be option A. Option A. Equal to 0 and not equal to 0 over here. Please check. Okay, clear. So 3 is done. Fourth now. If a equals to alpha 2 alpha, a cube is 27. Extremely simple question, sir. Yes or no? A cube is 27 means what, Richa? I can write here determinant of a the cube as 27. It means determinant of a is nothing but 3. Correct, no? Cube root of 27 is what, sir? 3, right? Okay. What about this, sir? Let's find determinant from here. I get alpha square minus 4 equals to plus minus 7. Sorry, plus minus 3. Okay. So from here, okay, not plus minus 3, simply 3, no? Why simply 3, sir? Please check. I'll show you. Because, sir, we have cube root over here, no? If the number is positive, it will come out as positive. If it is negative, it will come out as negative. Okay. Not square root, it's cube root over there. That's why. Now write this. Alpha square equals to 3 plus 4. So alpha square equals to 7. It means alpha equals to now plus minus root 7. Option is D. Please check. Fourth one is also very simple. I hope you had fun. Fourth one, you can solve this question just by looking at it. That's how easy questions can come in determinant. You can see this is PYQ of 2015. So please make sure that you have completely revised this chapter going in the examination. Okay, very simple. You can score. This is scoring section. Matrices determinant is scoring section for you. Okay, even vectors 3D. This is a high weightage and scoring section. So you cannot miss any question in these chapters. Okay, so we very much prepared in this. You have to remember all the formulas, all the properties, at your hand. Like the question comes, you should know the answer. That's how good you have to be. So practice the problems there. Okay. Now evaluate cos 15, cos 75. Please check. If I find the determinant of this, right? So we can do cos 15 degrees, cos 75 degrees minus sine 15 and sine 75. Okay. So we have to convert. No. Let's do one thing. We can convert both of these now. It becomes cos 75. And it becomes a sine 15. How come? Because 15 plus 75 is how much, sir? 90 degree, no? Right? And complementary ratios are sine and cos. Sine 15 will become sine of 90 minus 75, hence cos 75, and it will become sine 15. What is the answer, bacha? 0, sir. Option A is correct. Please check. 2015, again a very easy question. Moving on to question number 6 now. Okay. Now I have solved this question right now already for you, so that we saved some time solving it. What is there? If x, y, z are all different and not equal to 0, okay, you have to find that they are given that determinant, actually not matrices, sorry. They've given determinant of this is equal to 0, bacha. Okay. Then find the value of x inverse plus y inverse plus z inverse. Okay, means x power minus 1, y power minus 1 and z power minus 1. We have to find the value of this. Okay, so what we do, of course, we can have a transformation of rho also applied here. We can do that as well, but this also is very simple, not very difficult at all. So take the determinant 1 plus x times of these two minus 1. Same way with minus 1 you're going to take what, bacha? 1 plus z minus 1. 1 plus z minus 1. Okay, and again 1 second. And with plus 1 you're going to take what, bacha? We're going to take 1 minus 1 plus y. 1 minus 1 plus y will become minus 1 minus y. Okay. So whatever is cancelling, let's cancel it out. We get 1 and 1 cancel over here. This 2, and we get this also 1 and 1 cancel over here. I am left with only plus z into minus 1, which becomes minus z, and minus y into plus 1 becomes minus y. Very simple. Okay. You can try this from your side only. Okay. Pause the video and just find the determinant. You're going to get this result only. Please check this one. Okay. Okay. What about this? Multiply 1 with, first expand this 2. You get 1 into 1 plus z, so 1 plus z. Y into y plus z will become, y into 1 plus z will become y plus yz. Y plus yz. I've written over here, y plus yz. And of course, minus 1 is already there. Take this 1 and minus 1 out. You get here 1 plus x times of z, y, yz. Multiply 1 with all the 3 terms. You get here z plus yz, and then multiply x with all the 3 terms. What do you get? xz, xy, and xyz. xz, xy, and xyz. Next picture, what do we have? Minus z and minus y will be cancelled with the first two, z and y. You have only yz, xz, xy, and x plus z left. Do one thing out of these 3 terms now that we have. Take xyz common. Take xyz common. Why, sir? Because we'll get the inverse form. That's why. Then do that. You take x, y, z from here. What is missing? X is missing. So that's why x comes in the denominator for the first term. Same way, y is missing. That's why y comes in the denominator for the second term. And z is missing over here. Z comes in the denominator for the third term. And this remains as it is. Keeping this on this side only, we move this over here. Okay. And again, it will become minus xyz, and you divide this by xyz. What do you get? Minus xyz by xyz. And it will become, sir, x inverse, y inverse, z inverse. Okay. This two cancels out. I have minus 1 over here left. Answer will be option D. Please check. Answer will be option D. I hope this is very simple for you. So it is not difficult at all problem, okay? It's a very simple problem. Understand? Because they've given this determinant, right? What are you going to do about it? Simply find the determinant value. Once you do that, you get the answer as minus 1. Option D is right. Seventh one. If A is any square matrix, sorry. Okay, this is simple, na? It will become, sir, 3 cube determinant of A, right? So 27A. Correct, no? Yeah, we take 3 count from each of the rows. So 3, then again another 3 comes. We have 3 over here, no? Total, please check. 3 rows are there. So we can take 3 count from 3 rows. It will become 3 power 3. So answer is 27 determinant of A. Option C is right. Question number 8 now. If a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then A power K. Same formula, bacha. Option D is right. K to the power 3. Please check. Right now. What basically it means? So I can take K count from, let's say, row 1. Same goes with row 2 also. And same I can take with row 3 also. Now it will become K cube determinant of A. Okay. D is the answer. Ninth one now. The area of triangle with vertices K0, 4, 0, 0, 2 is 4 square units. Find the value of K. Let's do that. K0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1. Triangle area means 1 by 2 will be there. You'll have over here 4. Let's move on this side. You get here K0, 1, 4, 0, 1. Right now. And you have 0, 2, 1 equals to 8. If you find the determinant value, you'll have both plus minus sign on this side. Okay. What about this, sir? We have 0, 0, 2 now. So let's find across this column. Okay. When you do across 2, what are you going to get? Please check. Because for 0 it will be 0. For this 0 again it will be 0. And for this 2 you'll have a positive value. Okay. Sorry, negative value. So you'll write here minus 2 times off. Please check. What I'm doing, finding across column number 2, sir. For 0, anything you multiply, 0 only. 0 also, again this is 0, right? Yeah. So I have to, quick in my answers. That's why I'm taking this part 2. So I get this row cancel, this column cancel. I get K into 1 is K and 4 into 1 is 4 with a minus sign. Okay. So please check. I'll end up with 4 minus K equals to plus minus 8. Take 4 minus K equals to, okay, what I have, 8. And 4 minus K equals to minus 8, right? Something is wrong. Something, okay, I've not taken this. This is 2K, no? This is 2K and, sorry, this will be 2K and, what do you call? Minus 8, no? So we'll have 2 over here. So of course you'll have 2 over here. I forgot to take the value of 2. So I basically get here 8 minus K equals to 8. And I get here 8 minus 2K, no? Equals to 8. And I get over here 8 minus 2K equals to minus 8. Please check. So I get 8 and 8 cancel. I'm getting this K value as 0 over here. From this side I get, bacha, minus 2K equals to minus 16. Hence K value is, please check. Minus cancel. I get K value as 8. K value is 8. Option number D is right. Okay. Okay, I missed this 2, okay, otherwise it would have been a very simple question. I would have finished this much earlier, okay, forgive me for that. I missed this 2 to multiplied with K minus 4. Question number 9 is done. Question number 10 now. Okay, so question number 10 now. I have A matrix 2 cross 2 is given as 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2, 1. AB is I, then B equals to what? Okay. So what we can do about this is basically to find the value of B. It means when AB is nothing but I can find the value of B as, please check, I can find the value of B as A inverse times of I, simply A inverse. Okay. To find A inverse, what we can do, please check. So to find the value of adjoint A upon determinant of A. So find the determinant of A. What we have this over here, please check. I have 1 into 1 is simply 1, and I get minus of plus. Okay, so minus of minus will become plus 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. It is going to be sec square alpha by 2. That's your value of determinant of A. Okay, sec square alpha by 2. So of course, wherever you have 1 by sec cos, that will be your options. Okay, we have 3 options as such. So let's find the value of adjoint. So adjoint of A, we'll check here. We know this for 2 cross 2. What do you do on this? You do the interchange across this, right? You do interchange across this. Over here, what do you do, bacha? Interchange. And across this, what do you do? Sign change. Across this one, you do sign change. So please check. If interchange will become 1 and 1 only, no change. And sign change means it will become minus tan alpha by 2. I will be tan alpha by 2. Please check. That's your adjoint A, right? So can I not say this, that adjoint A is actually in this particular case coming as, please check, this is same thing, no, but transpose, right? I can write this case that is coming as A transpose. If you take this transpose, this part will come over here, this will come over there. Okay, so this will become as A transpose. Have a look. So basically my A inverse will turn out to be, have a look, A transpose divided by sec square alpha by 2 comes up, will become cos square alpha by 2. Okay, A transpose. Option is B. Option is B. Please check. Okay, moving on now to question number 11. This is very simple question. 11th one. Let A be a square matrix of order 3 cross 3, then 5 of A. But the same thing, no? 5 power 3 A, right? Option B is correct. Option B is correct. 12th now. Okay, the inverse of the matrix given like that is going to be what, bacha? So what we're going to do? We'll simply find the first determinant of A. So I've done that already for you. If you do that across 2, you're going to get 3 into 1 is 3 minus 0. So you get 3 only. You get across 5. So minus 5 I'll have. Minus 5 over here, no? For this element. So negative is there. So I get, please check, 0 plus 1, no? 3 into 0 is 0. Minus 1. I'll have subtraction will make it positive. So 3 plus 1. Okay. 5, we have minus 5 into 1 as simply minus 5. 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1. Means determinant of A is coming as non-singular. So 1. Okay. In this case 1 actually. How do you find inverse? Adjoint A by determinant of A. Adjoint of A is coming equal to, so basically simply adjoint A, because A determinant is nothing but 1, right? Simply, okay, what do you get the value as? Adjoint of A. Okay, now find the adjoint of A, bacha. What are you going to do? Write the matrix 2 5 0, same way, 2 5 0 0 1 1, minus 1 over here, minus 1 0 and 3. Again repeat this matrix over here and this also over here, 0 1 1 and 2 5 0, like this. Now repeat this first column over here, second column over here. Okay, now here is the trick part. We are looking for adjoint value, right? But we know that adjoint is simply equal to A inverse. Okay, it means we'll directly match the answer to the options that we have. First one you take 3 into 1 minus 0, so 3. Second one, 0 into 0 minus 5 into 3, 50 minus 15. 5 into 1 is 5, 0 into 1 is 0, so means 5. So I get first row as 3 minus 15 and 5. It means this and this two options is to gone. We have only 2 options left now. Okay, now in that we'll take what is the different part. Okay, so if you check here, everything is same except for this 2 and minus 2. Okay, except for this 2 and minus 2. Let's take the last element then. 2 into 1 is 2 minus 0. How much that is coming? 2, sir. It means option B is correct. Got the point how to eliminate the other options? After doing the first row, I got to know first 2 options, sorry, A and C cannot be there. It means B and D has to be one of them. Now if I saw that everything else in B and D is common except for the last element. Okay, so I found the last element using this. Please check here. Using this part, 2 into 1 is 2 and 5 into 0 is 0. It means 2 minus 0 will become, bacha, please check here. 2 minus 0 will become again 2. Hence option B is correct. Question number 13 now. So I have, if A equals to 1 3 4 2, okay, we are asked to find this, right? So I'll get this as okay, right? This is the same thing, no? Okay, let's find this value of determinant of A. I get here 2 into 1 is 2 minus 12, so minus 10, and I get b value as 2 minus of minus, sorry 4 na, 2 into 2 is 4, right? So 4 minus of minus 1, so plus 1, I get this as 5. What is the answer going to be? You'll have minus 10 over here into 5 square. So minus 10 in times of 25. Option is minus, okay, C, minus 250. Option is C. You can check here. Questions can be very simple, okay? So please, it's my request to not forget any of these concepts. Okay, free marks for all of you. Question number 14 now. If the value of a third order determinant is 16, okay, means let's say some matrix A is given. They've given here this as 16, okay. They have also said that order is 3, all right. Then the value of determinant formed by replacing each of its element by cofactor. That's called adjoint, no? That is called as adjoint, right? Replacing element by its cofactor is called as adjoint, sir. Okay. They're asking determinant of that, and determinant of adjoint of A. Basically, please check here. Determinant of A power 3 minus 1. I get here 16 power 2. So 256. Option B is correct. Option B is correct. Moving on to question number 15 now. Okay. The constant term in the expansion of this might look very confusing to you, but I'll tell you what. This can be written as some other function of fx or gx. Any function. Determinant can be a function or a real value, right? Okay. Or any value, right? Scalar value. So basically, I can write this determinant as this function, okay? Please check. Alright. So this is the function fx. How define such a constant when you put x value as 0? Put it here, what are you going to get? You'll have 1 minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 1, and you have minus 2, 1, minus 1. Minus 2, 1, minus 1. Find this value. Across 1 we get minus 2, minus 1. Across minus 1 I get plus 1 again because of the minus sign. Okay, I get here, please check, plus 1, plus 2, okay, and across plus 2 I get bacha, minus 1, okay, and plus 4, right? And plus 4, right? So I'm getting here, please check. Minus 2 minus 1 is going to be minus 3, right? Okay, I'll have here plus 3, right? Okay, and I'll have over here 2 into 3, so again 6. This is cancelled. I'll have the answer as simply 6. Option number D is correct. Option number D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct, no? Yeah, any mistake I've made in calculation? No. Looks right. So option is D, 6. Moving on to question number 16 now. Okay, question number 16. So okay, we have to find the value of fx as what is the condition which is right. Okay, means f naught is 0 or f1 is 0 or f minus 1 is 0. We have to find that value. Okay, so basically think about it. We'll simply put the values of x as 1, minus 1, 0 and 2. So do we put all the values? We don't have to, right? We'll start putting from 0. Simplest one possible. So let's find from 0. We get here f of 0 as, please check, 0ab minus a0c and minus b minus c and 0. Minus b minus c and 0. I'm putting x value as 0, bacha. Everywhere where I can find x, no? I've kept that as 0. Okay. So when I find the determinant, for across 0 we'll have everything as 0. So now I write minus a. For this I'll have 0. Please check. This will be 0 and this will be plus bc. Okay. Across b I'll write plus sign b. I'll have plus ac, right? And rest all is 0, sir. Okay, b into 0 will be 0 only, right? So what I get, please check, I'm getting here minus abc over here plus abc. How much is that coming as? 0 only, right? It means fb means f0 is 0. Option B is right. Option B is correct. Got it? So we found the value of when we put the value of x as 0, we got f0 as 0. It means option B is the suitable option. Okay. If not, we could have gone to f1 or f minus 1 like that also. Okay. It's basically like, you know, checking from the hit and trial method. Okay. So 17 now we have to find the limit of this function. Okay, how can we do that, sir? So one way to do it is basically find the determinant of this and then check for the limit, or I can simply put this x value as pi in the function right away. What I get, please check, I get here cos of pi, right? So minus 1 1 0 0 and I get minus 2 over here and 3, because cos pi is minus 1, no, it's like a minus 2. again 0, 1 and minus 2. So check across this column. I want to find the determinant value. Okay, I find the determinant value across this. Okay, so when I do that, what I want to find, minus 1, please check, minus 1 I have, I'll have plus 4 minus 3, then what I'll have, bacha, minus 0, everything is 0, plus 0, everything is 0, because I'm finding across the first column. I have two elements of 0, no? So why to put more effort finding anything else? Okay, so answer is going to be, please check, minus 1 times of 1, hence answer is simply minus 1. Simply minus 1 is the correct answer. Looks messy, right? Let's change that, minus 1. So option is A. 17th is done, very simple. Moving on to question number 18th now. Okay, so if x cube minus this, bacha, okay, fine. What I've done over here is I found the determinant of A already. Please check. Across 1 I get 9x minus 48. Across 2 minus 2 I have to write. I get, bacha, 36 minus 42 actually. Okay, across 3 I get here for 32 minus 7x. Okay, simplify this. 9 minus 48 I have minus, okay, we get over here minus 6, no? 36 minus 42 is minus 6, into minus 2 will become plus 12. Okay, and over here I have 96, 3 into 32 is 96 and minus 21x. Simplify this. Minus 48 plus 96 becomes plus 48, because 48 times 2 is 96, right? So plus 48 over here because of these two, plus 48, then I have plus 12, it means 60. So 60 over here, 21 is negative and 9 is positive, it means I get minus 12x. Okay, this is the value of your determinant of A. Let's move on to next step of the question. You have to find the value of x from here. Can you factorize it? Yeah, I can take x square common, I get x minus 2. Here you take 9 common, you get x minus 2. Okay, so I get x minus 2 and x square minus 9. So factorize this once more, I get x minus 2, x minus 3 and x plus 3 equal to 0. It means value of x is coming as, please check, 2, 3 and minus 3. What are they asking? Maximum value. They are asking us maximum value of the determinant A. Value of A, please check. So think about it. I have minus 12x, no? So whenever x is negative, then only I can have maximum value, right? Otherwise you'll have a subtraction over here. But if you take x as negative, what will happen? You get a addition over here. So please check. 60 minus 12 times of minus 3 will leave me the value of 60 plus 36, hence 96. Hence 96. Option A is right. Okay, moving on to question number 19 now. Very simple problem. 19th. If A is given like this, then the inverse of matrix A, okay, A cube. So find A cube means I have to find the A square first. So I've done already this part calculation. A square will become A into A, so 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2. Please check. 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 1 into 3 is going to be minus 3. Again I'll have to do 2 into minus 1 will become minus 2 and minus 1 in terms of minus 2 will become plus 2. Right now 2 into 2 is 4, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. When I get 3 into 2 is 6 and minus 2 into 3 is minus 6. I get 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 and minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. Okay, no problem there. Okay, simplify. 4 minus 3 is 1. This is 0. This is 0. This is again 1. So I'm getting basically A square as entity matrix. So can I find A cube from here? Of course. A cube will become A into A square. How much is that? A into I. How much is that? Simply A. Okay. So if I'm looking to find A cube inverse, I'll get simply value as A inverse. Now we have to find A inverse now. Okay. So let's find determinant of A first. I get this value determinant of A as minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4, please check it. 2 into 2 is minus 4 now. I get 3 into minus 1, so minus 3 plus 3. Minus 1. Determinant of A is there. Now we have to find adjoint of A, right? Adjoint of A. Remember, interchange over here, so minus 2 and 2 and sign change. So plus 1 and 3. This is the adjoint, okay? Plus 1 and 3. Across this we have only sign change, okay? Only sign change. So I get 3 becomes minus 3, no? Yeah, minus 3 and 1. Alright. So please check now. I'm getting adjoint like this. Adjoint of A like this. Excuse me. So I get A inverse as adjoint of A upon minus 1, no? Sign change, bacha. you'll have over here plus 2, minus 1, you'll have here 3 and minus 2. Please check. This is same as this part, no? So basically I'm getting A inverse as simply A. So what I'm getting, please check, A cube inverse as A inverse as A. Option is going to be A. Please check. A is done. Moving on to question number 20th now. Okay. So if the vertices of a triangle are given like this, then the area of the triangle, okay? So we have the vertices minus 2, 6, 3 minus 6 and 1, 5, okay? 1, 1, 1, the z coordinate, okay? Find the area, 1 by 2 will be there for the triangle, of course. Minus 2 across you can find the determinant, no? Minus 6, minus 5, across minus 6 you can find again, you'll have over here negative, no? So minus 6 will be again 3 minus 1, plus 1 you'll have again 15 plus 6, okay? Simplify, you get here 22, minus 12 and 21. This will get you plus 10, it will become 31 by 2, hence 15.5 is your answer. Option number C is right. Option number C is correct, okay? Question number 21 now. So if an is given as 1 minus n 1 minus n, find the value of a1 plus a2 like that, okay? Question is difficult? Not at all. Please check. Find determinant of an first. Why determinants? Because we are looking for determinants only. We get here 1 minus n the whole square minus n square. So I get here 1 plus n square minus 2n minus n square. So what I get, 1 minus 2n, okay? 1 minus 2n. This is my value of determinant of a and the, okay, determinant of a n is nothing but 1 minus, please check, 2n. This is clear? Okay. What now? What now? Okay, a1 determinant, a2 determinant. Let's find a1 first. So what I get a1 determinant as, please check. I get this as 1 minus 2, no? 1 minus 2. Let's find the a2 also. I get 1 minus 4, right? 1 minus 4, okay. And let's find again similarly a3, you get 1 minus 6 and so on. If you find here an, you already have an value 1 minus 2n, okay? So let's write this condition over here. a1 determinant plus a2 determinant plus a3 determinant all the way to an determinant. What I get? 1 minus 2 plus 1 minus 4, excuse me, okay, 1 minus 4 plus 1 minus, I have over here 6, okay, right, and so until 1 minus 2n. Please check. I can club these ones together. These ones together. How many times we will get bacha this thing? We have total of 2021 terms, na? Okay. So basically I'm getting over here n over here. I'm gonna write this as n. Simplify. I'm gonna write this as n. Okay. So if I'm do that, if I wanna do that, I get n over here minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 all the way till minus 2. N actually minus 2n actually. Okay. The element is minus 2. I get here n common, minus n is common. I get here 2 also common actually. I get 1 plus 2 into 2 is 4, excuse me, 2 into, and I get plus 3 all the way till n, right? So n I have minus, please check, 2 is already there. Sum of the terms, n terms of your AP. So n by 2, first term is 1 plus the last term is n. Okay, please check. Alright sir, this is my answer, right? This is my answer. What is the n value, bacha? N value is 2021. N value is 2021. Let's put that over here. I get 2021 minus 2. Okay, excuse me, I have made a mistake. Not mistake as much, but I have to, change 2 and 2 is cancelled. No, that's why we don't have to write that part. Okay, what I get again, 2021 times of 2022. How come, sir? N is 2021, no? Then n plus 1 will become 2022. I have 2021 common, so let's just do that. I get 2021. I have left in the first term as 1 minus 2022. What is the answer going to be? 2021 times of, I'll have minus sign, no? Minus 2021. What is the answer going to be? Please check. Simply negative sign of square of these. Okay? Square of this. So minus 2021 the whole square. Option is C. little lengthy but not difficult, little bit lengthy. Okay, if you can guess the answer directly from your for example, after looking at this step, no, you can check the answer directly. How come so? But so this one, no, oh wait, forget about this step. After writing this step, no, you can write this step, right? This one, you can write this condition. Where is it? N minus this one, bacha, n minus 2 n by 2 1 plus n. From here you can get the answer directly. Okay, from here also you can get the answer directly. Please check. Okay, 21 is done. Moving on to question number 22 now. Question number 22. What we have, if A equal to this condition is there for a matrix 2 cross true, find the value of 5k minus k square. Okay, they have given it as singular, right? It means they have given determinant of A is nothing but 0. Let's find that. We get 2 minus k times of 3 minus k minus 2 equals to 0, right? Yeah. So I get here 6 and I get here minus 2k. I get here minus 3k plus k square minus 2 equal to 0. What I'm getting over here, please check. I'm getting this value as, have a look, 6 minus 2 is nothing but 4 plus k square minus 5k equal to 0. What I want the ulta part, right? So I get here 4 equals to, move this on the side, I get plus 5k minus k square. What's the value going to be? Plus 4, right? Option B is right. Please check your answer. Okay, is it plus 4 minus 4? Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so 5k minus k square is going to be your option 22B, right? 4 is coming. Have a look. Yeah. Moving on to question number 23 now. Chali. The area of the triangle with vertices minus 3 0 3 0 0 k. Okay, is 9 square units. Okay, so let's write this 3 0 minus 3 0 3 0 and 0 k. All right, and 1 1 1 for the z coordinate. I get 1 2. Okay, 1 by 2 because of the area of triangle, and we have 9 on the side. All right, I can find across second column because I have 2 zeros over here, so I get minus plus minus. No, please check here. A12 means odd. 1 plus 2 is 3, right? So odd place, it means negative. A22 means 2 plus 2 is 4, positive, so plus, and here negative again. I get 3 2, so negative again. So minus k times of, please check, this will be cancelled now. I have minus 3, so minus 6, I get plus 6k equals to plus 18, right? Plus minus 18, why plus minus 18, bacha? Because of the determinant. Okay, area will be both positive, always positive, right? It means whether it is negative or positive, answer will be always positive only. That's why I take both plus and minus sign. Okay, so I get 6k equals to 18 or minus 18. From here I get k equals to either 3 or minus 3. Over here we have only one option, so option C is correct. Option C is correct. A simple question. Let's move on now. Question number 24. So we have, if A equals to square matrix, then the determinant of the matrix given like this would be how much? Okay, given like this would be how much? All right, so let's do one thing. Find the value of, okay, we can see here. All right, but so there's a mistake. I think this should be over here. Please check. This should be 2014. Okay, it should be 2014. Yeah. So this should be 2014. Please check. 2014. All right, my mistake. Now, so if you check here, I can take something common from here. No, I can take a power 2014 common, and I'll end up with a the square. Okay, minus 2a and minus 1, right? Basically identity matrix. No, basically identity matrix. All right, so now we have to find what we have to find the value of a square first and determinant of a also. Please check. Determinant of a, if you have a look, then this will become minus 4 plus 3, right? How much is that? Minus 1. So basically this part is nothing but 1 only, right? Okay, so let's find the value of a square now. So I'll have a square, have a look, same thing I have to write. I have minus 4 minus 1 3 and 1 times minus 4 minus 1 3 and 1, right? A into a is a square. So if you find the value of this, you get we do row to column. So minus 4 into 4 is 16, and you'll have please check, minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16, minus 3 you have over here. Again, what you have, plus 4 and minus 1. Okay, great. And 3 into 4 will be minus 12, and 1 into 3 will be plus 3, giving me value of 3 into minus 1 as minus 3 and 1 into 1 as plus 1. So I'm getting a square value as, please check, my a square value is nothing but, have a look, it's turning out to be 16 minus 3 is 13, we have here 3, we have here minus 9, okay, and we have here minus 2. This is a square, okay. So let's check here what I'm getting. I'll continue from here. I'll get a power 20, what is it, 14, okay, and we have to write this thing now in this bracket. 1 second, we'll write this bracket over here like this, and first matrix a square is nothing but 13, 3, minus 9, minus 2. Next I have minus 2a, right? So minus 2 times of this thing, I'll have 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, minus 2, 6 and 2. This is my 2a, okay, and minus I, right? So minus of 1, 0, 0, 1, minus of 1, 0 and 0, 1. Check this out. A power 2014. What is left now? I can write direct matrix only. No need to write the other type of bracket. Let's write the matrix form directly. So I have 13 plus 8 is going to be 21, okay, minus 1, so 20, right? 13 plus 8 over here, no? Minus of minus will become plus, so plus 8 is going to be 21, and minus 1 over here 20. 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 0 is going to be 5 only, okay. Again you have minus 9, minus 6 will be minus 15, so minus 15 over here, and minus 2 plus 2 will be 0 and 1, right? Please check, and 1 only, right? We have minus 9, minus 6 is minus 15, plus 0, okay, it remains as it is. Minus 2 is minus 4, oh excuse me, minus 2 is minus 4, right? Oh, yeah, plus 1, so minus 3, excuse me, there's a mistake in the last term, okay. Minus 2 is minus 4, please check here, minus 2, and minus 2 is minus 4, and minus 1 is minus 5 actually, minus 5 actually, okay. We're looking for, let's call this to be determinant matrix X, okay. I'm looking to find the determinant of this matrix. So basically like this, okay. So I'll have over here, have a look, it'll become 1 power 2014 actually, minus 1 power 2014, and on this side I'll have 25 minus 15 and minus 5. 1 second, I hope this is clear, yeah. So if I find this value, I get this over here as simply 1, and about this I get 20 into minus 5 will be minus 100, and I get here plus 5, 15 5 is 75. My answer will turn out to be minus 25 is value of the matrix X. If I write this as matrix X determinant of the matrix X will come out as minus 25. Option number D is correct. Please check. It's a very good question, okay. So I've increased the difficulty level now, okay. Please check. So it's not a PYQ, but I wanted to solve this for you, so I hope this is clear. All right, there's a change here. Please write this as 2014. Power is 2014. Moving on, 24 is done. 25th. Suppose A is any 3 cross 3 non-singular matrix. They've given this condition, okay, and I is entity matrix of the order 3, O is the null matrix of order 3, okay. Zero matrix, which basically, can I write this from here? A minus 3i and A minus 5i equals to 0 matrix, okay. We'll have a square minus 3, what I get? Minus 3i into a is minus 3a, and minus 5ai means basically minus 8a, and last I'll have plus 15i equals 0, okay. If you want, you can do it from your side also. A into a is a square, a into minus 5 will become minus 5a, okay. Again I'll have minus 3a will become minus 8a, and the last will be 3 into 5 is 15, I will remain I itself, okay. So they're asking us to express this in this form: alpha times the matrix A and A inverse, okay, equals to 4i. Basically I need the value of I on this side, okay. So I can move this 8a on this side. Please check. I'll have 8, so a square plus 15i equals to 8. Now apply on both sides a inverse. You'll have a inverse of a square plus, what I get? I have a inverse, of course I have 15i now. We'll write like this: 15i equals to 8 times of a inverse a. Check this out. I have over here only a left. Over here I have 15 a inverse. Over here I have 8i. No, a inverse a is nothing but identity matrix. Now I want 4i, right? So I have to divide by 2. So I get here a by 2 plus 15 by 2 a inverse, and I have 4i. Now compare this expression, this equation with this equation. You get alpha value as 1 by 2 and beta value as 15 by 2. What are they asking us? Sum of it. So alpha plus beta by will become 15 plus 1, 16 by 2. So 8 is the answer. Option D is correct. Again, level up. It's a little bit challenging than the PYQs that we have taken. Okay, so that's why you can see the mix of the questions that you're getting over here. No, is like whatever is the PYQ that you expect and one level above. Okay, means so that we are prepared for the difficult situations, for the challenging situations. Question number 25 is done. 26 now. 26. The greatest value of C for, okay, this is a real number, C is a real number, for which the system of linear equations x minus cy minus cz equals to 0, alright, has non-trivial solution. Alright, so what I can do about this is, first form the matrix. I have 1 minus c, then I have minus c again. Over here I have c minus 1 and c, okay, and then I'll have c and minus 1 should be equal to 0. Okay, let's find this. Across 1, what I'm getting? I'm getting here 1, okay, 1 and minus c square, okay, 1 minus c square. I get plus c over here, I get minus c, and I get minus c square. Please check minus c and minus c square. Alright, and minus c, the last one for this term, I get c square plus c. C square plus c equals to 0. Last step, have a look. I'm getting this 1 minus c square minus c square minus c cube minus c cube minus c square equals to 0. So I get this value as 1 minus 3c square, 1, 2 and 3, and minus 2c cube equals to 0. Okay, so can I rewrite this? It'll become 2c cube minus 3c square minus 1 as 0. Okay, so you put c as D option 0, it will not work because you will not be satisfied over here. Okay, now if you take c as 2, you will have over here 8, 16. Okay, this is plus, right? This is plus actually. Yeah, both will be plus if I change the sign. So it will not work again. C equals to 2 will also not work. If I take p as minus 1, I'll get what? Take here minus 1 the cube plus 3 minus 1. I'm getting here again minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 works, right? 0. So this is one of the right option. Okay, means this can work. Let's try other one. 1 by 2. If I take 1 by 2, no, I'll get 2 times of 1 by 2 the cube plus 3 times of 1 by 2 the square minus 1. Okay, so let's check this out. I get 2 by 8 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. So 2, 4, I get 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 1. How much I get? 4 by 4 means 1 minus 1. How much is that? 0. It means 1 by 2 is also okay. C equals to 1 by 2 is also correct. Over here I get C equals to minus 1 is also correct. Both of them are right options. But we are looking for greatest value. Looking for greatest value means option will be A. Option will be A. Please check. 26 is done. 27 now. So I give you okay, what they have given here. If A equals to 0, 3, 2, 0, finding an A inverse is given lambda times adjoint A. Okay, we know this, no? A inverse is given by adjoint A upon determinant of A. So basically they are saying that lambda equals to 1 by determinant of A. Correct, now? Compare this to this. They are giving that lambda equals to 1 upon determinant of A. Find determinant of A from here. What do you get now from this? Please check. You will get this value as 0 minus 6. Minus 6 is this value. So lambda will get as minus 1 by 6. Option is A. Option A is right. Okay. Yeah. 26 is also A. 27 is also A. Moving on to question number 28 now. If D goes diagonal D1, D2, D3 all the way till Dn, where Di is not equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Inverse of D inverse. Okay. Basically, for this matrix D inverse will be which we know this. No, we have done a question like this. Remember? You just this. If it was D1, D2, D3 like this, the inverse was written like this: 1 upon D1, 1 upon D2, and like this. Please check. So we have diagonal of 1 upon D1, 1 upon D2, 1 upon Dn. Option D is right. Option D is right. Question number 29 now. Which of the following is correct? Okay, let's have a look. Determinant is a square matrix. Determinant is not a matrix, right? Determinant is a value, it's not a matrix, so incorrect. Determinant is a number associated with a matrix. Determinant is a number associated with a matrix. That also is right, but not exactly. Matrix has to be always square. Yes, option is correct. C. Determinant is a number associated with a square matrix. That's the correct definition. Matrix has to be square in nature. Option C is correct. D now. 30th. Please check. If the system of linear equations given like this, okay, we have three questions over here, where ABC and non-zero real numbers has more than one solution. Okay, for this bacha, we cannot, it means singularity will not hold true. Okay, it will be not, so it will not be non-singular, it will be a singular matrix. And of course, you will have this condition also valid. Adjoint of A times B will be equal to 0. Adjoint of A times B will be equal to 0. So I've checked this matrix here. A like this, 2, 2, 3. And 3 minus 1, 5, and I've taken here 1 minus 3 and 2. Is correct. X, Y, Z is the variable matrix and A, B, C is the constants that we have. A, B and C. Okay. So the condition is the adjoint of A times B has to be equal to 0. Adjoint of A I have already taken over here. How do you find adjoint of A, sir? We have learned this approach. 2, 2, 3, 3 minus 1, 5, 1 minus 3, excuse me, 1 minus 3, 2. I will not solve it entirely. I'll show you one of the column. Sorry, I meant row. So 1 minus 3 and 2. Again repeat this. You'll have 2, 2 and 3. Over here you'll have 3 minus 1 and 5. Okay, and repeat the columns also. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have 2 minus 1, minus 3, 2 and minus 1. Okay, so you have to remove the first row and first column. We get minus 2. Please check. Minus 2 and we get what's out here? Plus 15, right? So I get plus 13, okay, using this 2. Again I get minus 9, minus 4, so minus 13, right? When I get 10 plus 3, so plus 13. Please check the elements. We have 13 minus 13 and 13, okay? This is my adjoint of A. Multiply with B. What is B, bacha, going to be? So right here, adjoint of A times B, okay? So I have to multiply this side. If I write here B multiplication over here, right, B is going to be A, B and C. Okay, let me erase this part. I've already taken it over here only. I multiplied B on the expression itself. I've taken B over here itself. Okay, now please check. I have 13A. Of course this has to be equal to 0, right? Yeah, so 13A, I hope this is visible. Yeah, so 13A minus 13B and plus 13C equals to 0. You can take 13 common and move on that side. You get here, please check, A minus B plus C equals to 0. From here what I'm getting, please check. I'm getting A minus B plus C equals to 0. It means, sir, we get B equals to, moving B on this side, I get B equals to A plus C. B equals to A plus C. Option is going to be B equals to A plus C, right? So B equals to A plus C. Option D is right, I think. Option D is right. Yeah, this is not true. If I move both of these on this side, no, I get A plus C only, right? Yeah, so option D is right. Option D is correct. Please check. B equals to A plus C. Over here we have B equals to minus A minus C. That's not right. And we have over here B equals to A minus, C minus A. That's not right. Over here we have B equals to A minus C. That's also not right. Option D is correct. Please check. Option D is correct. So this completes your top 30 questions in determinant. I hope you found this helpful. Okay, chapter was very easy. I have added some more questions apart from PYQs to make some challenge, leveling up your problems. Okay, so I hope you solve all these questions, and then I'll hope to see you again very soon in the next top 30 of the next chapter. And till then, keep working hard, keep smiling, and I hope to see you again very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.